I am the branch manager at Hickory in Hickory, North Carolina. We've grown the store ahead of. I mean, honestly, the company has grown very well in the last 5 years, but we've grown ahead of that. So we've had a very good at that. I do counter sales, answer the phone, look up parts. We clean bathrooms. I mean, you name it, whatever it takes to run a store, we get it done. I have a great staff here. We've got a good relationship in and outside of work. I got a 5.5-year-old thread between my counter guys, warehouse manager, and the drivers, but had very little turnover. We've had just have a really good relationship, good interaction. Our job has a little satisfaction in the fact we help people that have problems, and we've got a good reputation, not just myself, but my store as finding it when no one else can. So a lot of people they've got to where they come to us first. Getting to everyone in time. I'm blessed with a large staff. I mean, when we're full staff, there's 10 people works out of this branch, and I come from the same size branch as a competitor. We had 4, and so it makes it a whole lot easier. And we've been bragged on. Well, I know you guys answer your phone, you answer your emails, so it allows you to when you got that amount of help in there, and that makes a big difference. But the tools we have with technology really help out a whole lot. So, but people, I don't think people want to talk as much now. They're busy and they're texting you and they're emailing you, and I've got, besides 18 lines coming in here, we've got Prokeep, we've got email, I've got a cell phone, and I mean they hit us from all directions. When I first came here, they put my cell phone on my business card, and there's a certain element that thinks you don't have a life. And as I said, I've got a very large family. When we're all out to eat with twin in-laws and everything, I've got, there's 12, 13 people. We don't, we have a hard time getting to restaurants, but I'm sitting there with my family, and the guy decides you want to text me and I want a question. And we were able to take that cell phone number off on my card, give me a new cell phone number. And now when they want to text a picture, SMS is right there. And we sell the benefits of that, because you text me a picture, it's up to me to get it. And if I don't have my phone near me, you're out of luck. If you text it to our store, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screens that's going to pop up on. So you're going to get answered a lot quicker. I would say, they call and say, hey, I'm looking at this, and they're doing they can't read the number, or they're trying to describe it to me. And I'm like, anyway, you can take a picture of it and send it to me. Yeah, what's your cell phone number? I'm like, just send it to the store. And our main number coming into the store is the same. And they're like, what's the number? I said, the store number, the one you're calling me on, send it to me. And we actually have gotten multiple times ask customers to come around the counter. So I want to show you what happens, and I'll have them. I'll take a picture of them and I'll text it to the store from my phone. And I'm like, look at here. Now I can see that, and then I'll walk them to each computer. I can do it on the phone. I can only draw it so far, but I can put it on the screen. I can blow it up. There have been times where model numbers on our units have been weather worn, and you can pull them up. I can bring the guys over. They can look at it on their screen. I mean, we can. We're like, I think that's an S. And I'm pretty sure that's a 5, and we'll try it both ways and look it up, and we can figure it out. But I think the ability, just the picture, is just the best. I mean, hands down, my favorite feature. And what you can do to manipulate and turn it to the side, you can, crop it and spread it. I mean, I can blow it way up, and if I can't see it on that computer screen, I can't see it. So. I mean, it saved phone calls, multiple phone calls, and it's become almost I won't say replace a person, but it's been a fraction of one anyway, as far as slowing down the phone calls. Because when you've got 5 people in front of you, phone's ringing off the hook, it's a whole lot easier to right on your screen hit that. It's like, hey, Ralph has your has gotten your text, or Aaron or Tyler or Robert, somebody's gotten your text and they're working on it, and then they'll say, oh, they got my text. And so it's relieved a whole lot. I believe it has helped increase business quite a bit. Also, having the ability to reach out with a picture, plus again, keeping that ring off of you helps, because this can be the start of winter, start of summer. This can be a very stressful business. Somebody's out sick, the other one goes to lunch, and where you had 4 or 5 people up there, all of a sudden you got 2. The third phone call puts you out, it blows you up. So, but it just seems to help. It's like an extra hand for us. It really is. It just helps you out, because you don't have to sit there. Okay, let me look this up, call you back, look it up, call you back again, look it up again. So it'll replace 2 or 3 incoming calls, 2 or 3 outgoing calls, and with one text. One thing that's very, very good for us is when we've got 2 delivery trucks, sometimes 3, and oftentimes we go to a customer that's not there and they want us to leave it at a certain place. Our guys can take pictures of it, say, hey, it does 2 things: tell us where they're at, so we know we can schedule anything else, and we can store that picture saying, hey, if they ever come and say, hey, that was such and such was missing, we'll pull a picture up. It's like, no, it was right behind we've got proof of it was there, what time it was there, and it also helps us keep up with the trucks. So, but great tool. But yeah, absolutely. If they want something, that a tool for their business is going to help them, yes, absolutely, I'll recommend it. So, the secret sale, I don't know who uses it, who doesn't, but they're not. They're behind the time on it. So.